Hi, I'm Jacob Lewicki. I'm an architect and a drawing teacher. I invite you to a short drawing warm-up when I'm going to show you a few techniques that will help you in a drawing process. The second exercise is drawing circles and ellipses. Just start to draw a simple ellipse. Don't draw it with many lines, but try to do it with one circular move. It doesn't matter if the ellipse is more full or more flat. Use the whole paper. Go in different directions. Try to lock your wrist and do the circle move with an arm. Try to keep the paper at the same place and only move your hand. It shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes. Just play with this exercise and try to have fun. I'll show you some tools that I'll be using for this drawing. The first tool is a simple pencil. I use 3B and 5B pencil, but you can also use 2B and 4B, for example. The next step will be bringing out the deepest shadows, and for this process I will change the pencil from 2B to 4B. It's about the softness of the graphite. It is easier to make some black and dark grey values with a 4B pencil. Blur the place where the eyelid goes on the cheek to create a soft tonal transition. We don't want to make wrinkles here because it's an eye of a young person. I emphasize the place of the eyelid that goes down by gently shading. In this way, we bring out the brightest illuminated parts. Time to correct the eyebrow edge. If you have drawn the eyebrow too thick, we can always use an eraser and wipe it a bit. Now I will add the iris details. I draw lines that radiate from the central part of the iris. Note that these lines are not regular lines, but irregular pencil strokes. So the eye is a ball and it lays in the eye socket. Above it is an eyebrow. The eye is deeper than the eyebrow. That is why this part is in the shadow. The light source is on the right, so the shadow goes from right to the left side.